Linking your bank account to OctoML is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and management of your finances. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create an OctoML account. Visit the OctoML website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In the account settings menu, find the section for linking bank accounts. This may be labeled as payment methods or bank account. Click on this option to proceed with the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to OctoML. This will enhance your experience by allowing for efficient financial management.